Aren't you supposed to be asleep? Hmm? Christian, are you supposed to be asleep? Could you at least stop kicking on Alyssa's bedroom wall? Hmm? Thank you. Christian? Christian? No. Can you go night-night? Shh. Listen, you go to bed. You go to bed. Night-night. Night-night.